the beautiful town of Louisburg, a 3-acre horse property that actually has Oliver and Tara over here enjoying the upper pasture. This is the 1,500 square foot home with new engineered hardwoods. We just installed gutters and downspouts, and the sellers have taken a fantastic job in caring for the home and making some upgrades that really needed to be made. Behind me, you'll also see the 4-stall barn that has electric running water. This is a fantastic place to live, and I'll give more information as to why.